wash day and a whole new month, so today I'm going to start trialing a brand new shampoo. Last month, I tried out the Dove Bond Strength shampoo. Turned out I really liked it. Now, I normally like to alternate between a bond strengthening shampoo and a volumizing shampoo. So I thought this month was appropriate to switch to a drugstore brand volumizing shampoo. And the one I chose was the 24-hour volume collagen and peptide complex by Tresemme, the shampoo and the conditioner. You guys suggested lots of brands. I was intrigued by Tresemme because Tresemme was traditionally a professional brand. It was developed by a professional hairstylist back in the 50s, I think, or 60s or 40s, a long time ago. But it was originally developed by a hairstylist. Obviously, the brand has evolved a lot by then, but this is a shampoo that I have not used since I was in high school, so I wanted to give it a try. I also had a look at the ingredients, and they look pretty good and like what I'm looking for in a volumizing shampoo, so I have really high hopes, especially after seeing how well last month went. I'm also going to be switching my volumizing mousse to a drugstore brand. I went with the Herbal Essence Body Envy Volumizing Mousse. So instead of one of my 3 professional brands that I usually rotate through, I will be using that mousse instead. Today is going to be my first time trying all these products. I will wash my hair, dry it for you guys, let you see the final product, and I will check back in at the end of the day so we can all see how well the product actually held the volume. One other reason I was really drawn to these Tresemme shampoos is this is a massive bottle. It's 828 milliliters for under $10. I think this was like just around $6, just under $6. So that's a lot of product for a very low price. So if this turns out to be great, this would be a truly affordable volumizing shampoo and conditioner. First impressions after trying the shampoo and conditioner, the shampoo was a lot runnier than what I'm used to. I'm used to a pretty thick consistency. That would just have to do with ingredients. There are thickening ingredients in some shampoos and obviously different ones in others. This one I did notice was what I would feel like is runnier than the typical shampoo I use, so I used a bit more than I meant to. So that's just something to note for the future. It's not a bad thing. Using too much shampoo won't hurt your hair, it's just a waste. So I will note for the future that it is a little bit thinner of a consistency, and therefore I need to be careful not to squeeze too much out because I don't want to waste it, even though it is a gigantic bottle. And for the conditioner, it felt very lightweight, which is what's to be expected from a volumizing conditioner. My hair doesn't feel super slippery. I do actually prefer a really slippery conditioner, but again, this is a volumizing conditioner, so I'm just hoping it still gives my hair a bit of shine because I really do hate when I use a volumizing shampoo and conditioner and it leaves my hair really dry looking. So even though it did feel very lightweight and not super smoothing, I'm hoping I still get a bit of smoothness and shine from the conditioner. Go in with the mousse, and then we're gonna blow dry and we'll see how this all came out. One thing I will note about the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner over the Dove, also, it was much more lightly fragranced. It was not as perfumey smelling, which is what I'm more used to with my professional brands, having a more gentle scent. And the Tresemme definitely had a more gentle scent, much more similar to the shampoos I'm used to using, as opposed to the Dove was very strong smelling and perfumey. Though most people complimented how my hair smelled, so it's not that it was a bad thing. I just do sometimes prefer shampoos that don't smell too strongly. I'm going to finish off now with the round brush blow dryer. This is a step that I always take when I'm trying to get volume. Either I use the round brush blow dryer or I use my blow dryer and a round brush individually, because using that tension and over direction is going to give you more volume than just rough drying your hair alone. But of course, it's always up to you how you want to style your hair. Just if you want to get maximum volume, a round brush or a round brush blow dryer is going to help you do that. There we go. pretty good results. Pretty much what I usually get out of a volumizing shampoo and conditioner and mousse. My hair feels a little bit more dry and less shiny than when I use the bond building shampoo, but again, that's pretty expected. I wouldn't expect it to be as shiny as when I use those products. It's always a bit on the drier side when you use volumizing products because they do suck a lot of moisture out of your hair. That's how they help to get that lift. Mousse feels very lightweight, did not weigh my hair down, has left no remnants, like you can't feel it, it's not sticky. It is just as fluffy and soft throughout my hair as when I use any other volumizing mousse. So now we will just see what it all looks like at the end of the day. So I actually forgot to film last night, but this is the next morning. As you can see, even after sleeping and having 2 dance classes last night, the hair is looking, aside from, a little bit of oiliness from sleeping on it, there's still a little bit of volume. No matter what, none of the products are gonna give you tons and tons of volume the next day, but my hair definitely has not just completely fallen flat, which is what it would normally do if I had no product in it whatsoever. Definitely feels a little dry. I was starting to really enjoy the silky, smooth texture the Dove was giving my hair, but again, that's to be expected with a bunch of volumizing products, and when you start to move the hair around, you can really see there's still a lot of product to work with to give the hair fullness and movement. So, not so bad so far. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss my final update video on my final thoughts on these products at the end of the month when I have been using them for the entire month. And hit like and subscribe because that always really helps me out. And leave me a comment because I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video this week, guys. Bye.